Alright, it's recording. Hey guys, how you guys doing?
Hey, good. Hey.
You guys feel safe?
I feel so safe. I feel safe.
Alright.
They jumped a little bit.
They did. We're gonna see if we can catch us a lightning bolt. We're out here at the UMRC.
Close to the edge.
Oh, I'm not getting. Whoa, whoa! You want to do it? I'm scared for that. I'm scared for that.
We'll come over here.
Oh, it's my turn now?
It's your turn. I was unlucky enough to catch the lightning.
Huh. This is going to be a very boring video until we get a good...
Yeah. That's why we edit.
Does the camera accurately convey the near color of the sky or no?
No, not at all.
Stop playing.
What's that light?
Oh!
Tell me you got that.
Into the room?
Got that, man. Wait, and then we
This is over there.
Yes. We should sing that.
When I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite thing, and then I don't feel so sad. Oh, bad, sad, bad. My fault, bad. Sweat. Hey, y'all, look at this amazing dinner that was hooked up for us, y'all. Look at that, mate. Hey, how you doing? What's going on? How you living? What it be? How you doing? What's happening? Neil.
Oh, that's close.
What's happening, Stephanie? How you doing? What you doing at Parade?
Anwar, Neil already told me about the other footage you have of extreme close-up of my
Hey. Why do we have one bread that's brown and another is white wheat and it's actually white? Why is this brown and it's not wheat?
This one is only one Weight Watchers point. This is about 6 Weight Watchers.
Be quiet. My fault.
Right there.
I hope it picks it up because it looks like it messes with the camera when it does that whole lightning thing.